This is a 2013 Ford Explorer. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, Sirius satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, leather seats, a passenger side mirror mounted blind spot camera, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.